Hi, I'm attorney David McDivitt, and this is my take. I want to talk to you about dash cams. They're in the news a lot lately. Dashboard cameras that people have that view where they're going, and it captures all the video of their journey. And sometimes people do it because they like to just keep a log of where they've gone, or they enjoy looking at the footage. But one of the things where they can actually be somewhat useful is in recording a collision. And that's what we're starting to see more in the news media. And if you've got a dashboard camera and you're already using one, I can see that there could be a utility, or it could be useful if, unfortunately, you are in a collision, because it can oftentimes help identify, to the extent that it captures it, exactly how a collision occurred. One of the hard things about the law, and one of the hard things about auto collisions or motorcycle collisions or truck collisions, is really trying to pinpoint exactly how a collision occurred. Investigators that come out, police, state patrol, will use whatever evidence they can find to try to piece it together and figure out who's responsible, who was negligent, who wasn't paying attention, who was just plain reckless. And every little bit of information helps. And oftentimes the investigators use debris, they use skid marks, yaw marks, they do whatever they can to try to piece together the speed at which people were going, and if it is at an intersection, who had the green light or who maybe turned on a yellow, things like that. Dashboard cameras can help really cut through all of that. Here's the caveat though, please, if you have one of these or if you're looking at getting one of them, well, they can be useful. They can be a distraction as well, depending on how you deploy it and depending on how you use it. So I do encourage you that if you are going to use one, if you already have one, to just be safe about it. The way that I would encourage you to be safe with a cell phone, with the radio, with food. Don't let that get in the way of you keeping your eyes and your focus on the road.